everything covered in snow. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start of the old girl here. If I could figure out how to use a manual door lock, that would be awesome. I always forget this like isn't a diesel and I could just like, I feel like I'm obligated to wait, but I like really don't have to. Crank up my heat. Defroster. Alright, so I got a question for people. This lock right here doesn't work. I don't know if it's a fuse or I don't know if this is a fuse or what, but the driver's side door lock just doesn't work. That one over there works just fine, so I can like unlock and lock from there. Let me know if that's just like a fuse or like I gotta order a whole new switch panel or something. Oh yeah, guys, cold start. Damn, shaky sounds good. Completely muffled, but the tone is good. I'm actually looking for a charger here for my headphones. I don't know where to put it. Found it. This is kind of weird. I don't remember leaving this window rolled down. That's not good. Well, that's not good at all. Well, poop. All right, I gotta roll that up. All right, fun. What I can tell you is the Chevy definitely needs one of these. So for those of you who remember my Jetta, the Jetta came with a roadside assistance kit, and with it being winter and all, this is something you guys always want to have in whatever vehicle you are driving. Can never be too safe, whether you're saving somebody or they're going to be saving you. I think this has flares, jumper cables, first aid kit, simple things like that, road triangles, but you can never be too safe, so always. And there's a perfect spot for it right behind the seat. Perfect. So guys, we're gonna test this out here. Well, we got the Ram, we know that's not gonna fit in the garage. Charger does fit in the garage, but we don't need that in the garage right now. What we're gonna do here is try and fit the Chevy in the garage to do a couple of things. I wanna get this bed cap off. It's just kind of in the way. However, it does hold the tailgate up. So what we're gonna do here is I want to get this tailgate to latch. Usually it's just some kind of adjustment up in there. So really want to get it to latch and get this cap off so we can just get rid of it. If anyone has a 8-foot bed Silverado who wants this cap, it's maroon. If you want to take it and paint it, I mean, go for it. I just like the open bed look, the open bed concept. So we're going to be removing that cap today. And yeah, if I did use a cap, I would definitely want like the camper shell cap. It just kind of just gets in the way. It hinders you. You can't really put anything in the bed. No couches, no nothing with any height, so it's just kind of useless to me. I'll give you guys the coldest of cold starts. This thing hasn't been starting in a little bit, and should sound pretty good. Nothing on earth smells better than diesel in cold weather. However, this one's a little more fun. Cold start city up in here. This one's not as exciting. Aha! Let's try and make this happen. I think high idle kicked in because holy crap is that loud now. So it fits just barely. I thought honestly I was buying this and I actually have something I could pull in here and work. Honestly, if it's at a diagonal, it'll be just fine. But straight in, I can't exactly get around it. So yeah, what we need to do in here, you can see there's 4 clamps. I'm gonna assume that's just about it that it's gonna take to get this rail system off here. I assume take that off, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my dad to come and help, and we're gonna lift this off and take this off, and then I'll probably put it up for sale, because frankly I do not need this cap. To me, it's useful to some. I get the complete use of caps like this to a lot of people. However, to me, just not that useful. Only way to get through on this to the other side of the truck without opening the garage is go through the cab of this and then out this side. That my impact is on that side and I came all the way over here to whatever. I'm gonna go with a 13. I think that's it. Let me put it on this thing here. That I am wrong about right now, but we're not gonna risk it for the biscuit. Don't want to scram back through the cab just to realize I got the wrong socket. 15 is not it. It could be, but doubt it. I'm gonna go with a 14. Boom, 14 mils. Okay, here we go. Back to the cab. Here it is. Alright, so this is going to be fun. Tailgate obviously doesn't latch. We're going to try and fix that today. But I'm going to sneak the best I can and get this off. I don't exactly want to lay in this bed. That's who knows what's been in it. But let's go for it. Actually, why would I need to lay in there? We could just do this. Sometimes I'm not the brightest. Get this one and probably smash my arm in the process. And back to the cab. I swear, one day, ow, I'll have a garage long enough to accommodate my poor choice and hobby. Perfect, so this thing should just be able to be picked up and taken off now, which should be awesome. And then we're gonna kind of take this tailgate apart, check the latch inside, see what's going on, seafoam these. Also, things I love about this truck, obviously I'm gonna do stuff with the bumpers and stuff and get it all clean and nice, but don't gotta worry about it right now. Oh, love it. I love it. So much fun. Yes, coming from a Ram owner, I do love my stout, but semi falling apart Chevy. Love this thing. Okay, this is getting old. To open the garage, back through the cab. Okay. Okay, this works just a hair better, but not the best still. Okay, so how these plastic bed liners work is these are usually just slid on in here and they tuck underneath the rail. There's 2 options. There's over the rail and under the rail. Under the rail, slip-in bed liners, probably my favorite of the plastics. The over the rail, kind of obnoxious. They do give you this protection up here, but the way they secure is just awful. However, both of which come with a tailgate piece like this. Many trucks, I think Rams and Fords, have bolts to take out and put in place. However, for some reason on Chevys, every manufacturer gives you these stupid self-tappers. It's rusted now, but it's a self-tapper. And it goes into your tailgate most of the time. And yeah, puts a bunch of holes in there, so that's not good. What we're gonna do today is take this off and try and fix my tailgate latch. Well, by the looks of it, I didn't do much here but reveal that Chevy's old style tailgates don't come apart like that. Looks like we're gonna have to go in from the inside of the handle on this one. Well, at least we took off this piece. As you guys know, I will be putting a Raptor bed liner in here. It's just a matter of time. I don't really like the whole plastic bed liner thing. I just like the raw bed look. So we did take the plastic piece off. I put these bolts back in that I guess are holding the handle in. So I don't really know what exactly is going on here then. What we're gonna do here is we got some seafoam. Deep creep. Worst comes to worst, if this does not work, which I don't know if it will or it won't, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order 2 new tailgate latches online, have them come, and I guess until then I'll just have to strap this tailgate up like yeah, that'll be fun. But till then, let's see what we can do here. Hopefully at least lubing up one of them will get it to latch, and if the other one doesn't do it, I'll probably still order 2 new latches anyway, or maybe a whole new tailgate if I can find one. So because it is a little rusty here on these pivot points. Get these all lubed up here. Then let's see if that somehow magically works. That is a negative. Okay, so I did a little investigating, and what you can see here is this latch in here is rusty. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna order a new tailgate like handle itself. That should be an easy replacement. But what had happened was, you can see right here, this, I took a pry bar and just pushed it out. There's that, but look. It latches now. This handle is just very rusty in there, so I'm gonna spray that down with Seafoam Deep Creep and see if we can get that to work. Spray it up in here. Just kind of work these with the pry bar. Oh, look, it latched that time. Still probably gonna order a new handle, or a new handle apparatus, and we'll replace that. Maybe 2 new latches. The latches seem pretty fine, so I'll probably just order a handle and a bezel. Unlatched. Still not latched. Alright, so I think if we push it in and push this green side to the right. Pretty good. Alright guys, so kind of a temporary fix on the tailgate latch, but we got the cap off. So we're starting strong. This, let me check this real quick. This attaches with what looks like push pins that I don't have at the moment because they were probably taken off when they put the cap on. But that's what it looks like. Ooh, that looks so much better with that piece on. Oh my gosh, so much better. All right, so I'm gonna find some tailgate plugs so I can put that on. Tailgate is just a bit rusty on the inside. So I'm gonna see if I can find a cheap one. If not, we'll try and do some repairs on it. But it's at least latched right now. Partially latched. I think this one isn't. No, it is. It's latched. So I'm gonna order one of those, have it be on its way. And yeah, so if you guys haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. We got so much coming. You guys just get stupid excited, because to be honest, this is gonna be a fun platform. 5.3 under the hood. So much is gonna change. Oh, so much. I honestly can't wait. Took a lot of suggestions you guys put in the comments, and I'm really thinking about it. Honestly, right now I kind of do want to make this off-roady, because I already did like the flashy Cummins out there. I may just do this, you know, pretty much off-roady the way you want, you know, special suspension, stuff like that. And we're gonna have fun doing it. So if you haven't been here before, please get down and click subscribe. Stay tuned. We got parts on the way for this. I'm gonna have some other parts coming too, mirrors and stuff. I know everyone wants to tow mirrors on this truck, and trust me, I do too. These mirrors suck. Like I said, we're gonna do a lot of body work, a lot of rust repair, stuff like that. See you guys in the next video.